Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you to break the habit or spirit of masturbation. If you want to break the spirit or habit of masturbation, get the following ingredients. The first herb that you need to use to break the spirit of masturbation over your life is the siam weed. The siam weed is called akintola in Nigeria, and then when you come to Ghana, it is called achiampong. So it is very common. When you go to any nearby bush, you can get this powerful herb that has so many physical uses and spiritual uses to use it for this particular remedy. Now let's look at the next item that you need to break the spirit of masturbation over your life. The next item that you need to prepare this remedy is shea butter. The shea butter can be yellow one or the white one. So any shea butter that you get that you think it is pure, it is not mixed with anything, you can use it for this particular remedy. Now let's look at the next item that you need. Now the next item that you need to prepare the remedy is male pawpaw tree roots. The male pawpaw tree is also very common, and then it is found around bushes. So if you go to any nearby bush, you can get the male pawpaw tree. What differentiates the male pawpaw tree from the female pawpaw tree is that the male pawpaw tree has long flowers and then does not bear any fruit. So if you go to any nearby bush and then you yourself you are confused as to which one is the male pawpaw tree and then which one is the female one, you can easily identify the male one with the flowers. You could see that that one has long flowers. And then also you can ask any nearby person to give you directions as to which one is the male pawpaw tree. Now let's look at the next item that you need to prepare the remedy. Apart from getting the male pawpaw tree roots, you also need the male pawpaw tree flowers. So you are supposed to pluck some of the flowers. You could see in this picture that the male pawpaw tree has long flowers. So you pluck some of the flowers and then you are going to use it for this particular remedy. So let's look at the next item that you need to prepare the remedy. Now after getting the male pawpaw tree flowers, you also need some garlic. So the garlic can be the local garlic or the common garlic that you have on the market. So you are supposed to get just one piece of it or one bulb. Please, we are not going to use small cloves, but you are going to use the whole bulb. So you need only one for this particular remedy. Now let's look at the next item that you need. The last item you need to prepare this remedy to break the spirit or habit of masturbation is the king grass. The king grass is very common. In Ghana, some people call it the guekru, while others call it obuekru. Others also call it yakankai because when it is squeezed in water, it has a very strong odor. It bears white flowers and looks similar to the siam weed or the achiampong. It is commonly found near homes, so you don't have to go deep into the bush to get this particular leaf that has so many physical and spiritual uses, such as used to treat ulcer, and then when it is squeezed in water to bath, it treats spiritual problems. Please kindly get this leaf at dawn between the hours of 4 a.m. and then 6 a.m. and then use it for this particular remedy. Now let's look at how to prepare the remedy. Now after getting all the ingredients, the first thing to do is to pound the male pawpaw tree flowers, male pawpaw tree roots, and then the siam wood together. You add enough water to be used to bath for 7 days. What you have to do is that after your normal bath with your soap and then your sponge, what you do is that you pour some of the water that you have made by pounding the items into your bathing buckets and then use that water to rinse your body. You don't have to use towel to wipe your body, or you don't have to use soap nor sponge again. All that you do is that you allow this water to dry on you and then you go and sleep. Now let's look at what we are going to do with the king grass, shea butter and garlic. For the shea butter, king grass and then the garlic, what you have to do is that you grind the king grass with the garlic very well. You grind it very well and then you add the paste that you have obtained to the shea butter. You stir it very well to mix. You mix it very well. So after mixing very well, you put it inside a container with a tight fitting lid. So what you do is that every evening after bathing with the mixture that you have obtained by pounding the root of the milk pawpaw tree, the flowers, and then the siam weed. You allow the water to dry. The water that you used to bath, you allow it to dry on you, and then you now apply the cream that you have obtained by grinding the king grass and then the shea butter. You apply that one on your body. You apply this cream on your entire body, and then you apply some around your private part. So if you continuously do this for 40 days, though you are going to bath with the water that you obtain by pounding the milk pawpaw tree and the rest, you are going to do that for just 7 days. For the cream, you are going to use it for 40 days. So you apply it continuously to your body every night for that 40 days. And even after the 40 days, you still have to prepare some of the cream and then you keep it. So if in case you still have that urge to masturbate, you just have to apply this particular cream to your genitals area, and then you see that the urge to masturbate will just leave you entirely and then it will not come again. This particular cream is very powerful, and then even those people who have spiritual husbands, for them, they are not going to use the milk pawpaw tree roots and then the rest to bath. They can just apply it to their genitals and sleep, and then that spirit that comes to them to sleep with them in the night will never come near them again. So this is something that everybody must have, because even if you don't have that problem of masturbation or you don't have any spiritual marriage, if you apply this particular cream on your face, no witch or wizard can look straight into your eyes, because the king grass is the king of all the grasses, and it is very powerful. When somebody is shot with a gun and then the bullet enters the person, this is the grass that we grind and then we apply the paste around where the bullet entered the person, and then you see that the bullet will just come out by itself. If you like, you can try it at home, and then you see that you also give the testimony about this particular powerful herb. The herb is even used to treat ulcer and a whole lot of problems. So please kindly subscribe to the channel, because we shall talk about some of the uses of this particular king grass. Some people too, if you have a child and then the child in the night, the child will be crying for no reason, if you are able to grind the king grass with garlic and then you apply to the head of the child, you see that the child will stop crying. Some of the children, they are being scared in their dreams, and then some of them too, they are being scared by a whole lot of things, by some spirit, and then that is why they cry in the night for no reason, and then the parents are not able to sleep. So if you are able to grind this with garlic and then you apply it to the head of the child, it is going to help the child. There are a whole lot of things that we can talk about the king grass. So please kindly make use of it to solve your problem. Please, thank you very much for watching our video. In our next video, we shall talk about some other herbs that will help you to stop a partner from cheating on you. So please kindly subscribe so that you also benefit from all the videos that we shall post. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.